Okay, this is my layout in construction still. Start over here with the tunnel. Add a little bit more foliage. Cover around the lines. Over the bridge, through the cutting. Over the viaduct. There's a crossing there I just put in this morning. Did the roads through the week. A little bit more shading to be done there. This is the river. Made that stone bridge myself out of styrene and modelling clay. And through the river, yet to be completed. This is going to be a little park area down there with a beach and a walking track. And there's the road system. A bit of a pond. This is all yet to be grassed. There will be houses and farms up here, and that's to be the goods yard. Over here we've got a signal box going in, a car park and a station. Yeah, that's about where I'm up to. So, over here was going to be a scrapyard, but I've decided to make a bit of a quarry. Just a small one. Yeah, I think that'll come up alright.